Alright guys, I'm currently on my way to the car wash and I'm gonna meet Tim and give him his stuff.
Bottle in your car?
A what?
A bottle.
Of what?
Empty bottle.
Oh, for the poop?
No, I gotta pee.
Oh, you do? Let me see. Nah, I keep this thing pretty clean. Tim ordered some wheels off of Kruber and they arrived yesterday. So he's gonna show them off.
Let's turn the car off.
What was that?
Exhaust is annoying.
Oh yeah.
Whoever had them listed on Kruber listed them wrong too.
For the 14x7s?
Yeah, they're 14x8.
Oh, that's cool. You just measured them?
Yeah, they're definitely 14x8. Dude.
Because they all look the same.
The lips are deep too.
Yeah. Dang, that's crazy.
So those two have a lower offset, these two have a higher offset.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it's not a full matching set, it's staggered.
But these are slightly deeper.
Yeah. One of these is the one that had poop on it.
Probably just touched it.
No, it's one of these ones. But actually, there might be, I think there's a little bit of poop still on one of these. Where is it?
Yeah, so he got these, and there's some poop on there. JDM poop. Do you want to spray it off while I'm spraying my car off?
JDM poop. What, the wheels?
Yeah.
I don't feel like getting a lot of wet into the car.
Alright. Open the surprise. Don't show the address though.
Don't show the address. Oh snap, we got a whole bunch of stuff.
Yeah.
Shout out to Dejected Drivers Club.
Dejected Drive Club.
Dejected Drive Club. Oh dang, you sent us the whole drop.
Yeah.
That's what's up. Dude,
And it's a large too, so that should fit you.
Awesome. Thank you.
But dude, look at these slaps. Like, if you look at it, it's like, it's got like a sheen to it. And same with this one.
They're printed, right?
Yeah.
Dude, that's awesome. Definitely something that's going on.
And then I already got the air freshener in. Smells like strawberry.
You sent all of it in this one package?
Yeah, dude. I can't believe it all fit in there.
That's crazy.
Like 2 shirts and then all the stickers.
Dude, that's what's up.
Dude, they hooked it up. They're cool. It's cool stuff too.
You're gonna see us wearing these in future videos.
Oh yeah, we'll be wearing them. I already got mine on here, and then I saved the rest. I put 2 of them on here, and then I'm gonna put the rest in the Miata. Oh here, look at my other stuff I got.
Not about 4.
Dude, that event was so cool.
Oh yeah, that's the best one yet. Best final bout, for sure.
For sure.
A long shot.
Your car? Oh, you did clean it, I guess. Mine's still very dirty.
Yeah, I took the roof box off that last night, so I could go through the self-wash.
Oh yeah.
Or not the self-wash, the auto-wash.
Yeah.
Dude, it's so cold. I don't want to get wet and stuff.
I know.
Look at the ad for the Armor All. Look at the deals, bro.
Whoa.
Mesh boys. Like
Oh, this is where I got my air fresheners from.
The deformed Ferrari 911.
It's like a Miata Ferrari. A Miata Ferrari kit car. This stuff.
Some rain vision.
Someone tells me that's not what it looked like when it was printed. All right, speaking of self-wash, came here to wash this thing, so time lapse.
You're spending like a cash machine. Smile, show your golden teeth. That's how you cover up your cavities. You're not fooling us all. Someone tell me something. Shut up and take my money. I got pockets full of gold. No, I don't know.
All right, self-wash, check. You taking off now?
See you guys in the next one.
You sounded like Papa Jim.
Free online with just a few clicks.
See you guys.
Papa Tim, bro.
Papa Tim.
See you guys in the next one.
Whoa, whoa, slow down there, man. All right, guys, we are all done with the self-wash. Like I said, I'm not sure where these clips are gonna go, if this is gonna be in the mail time video, or if it's gonna be in its own video, so, and if this is it, see you guys in the next one.
Like a cash machine.